you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we are outside in the chicken coop and I'm gonna show you the cutest little treat table that I had purchased. If you want to see it, stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, I had purchased a cute little treat table. It's like a miniature picnic table for the chickens. I wanted a designated area just to put all of their treats on so they have a clean place and it's not just on the floor, even though they might drop it on the floor, which that's neither here nor there. I just wanted a cute little area to where when I walk in, I can just put all their treats, and again, they'll know exactly where they are. Whenever there's a treat, it'll be on their table, and it is the cutest little thing. So let me show you how it actually came when I first opened it out of the box, and then we're gonna put it into the actual coop and see how they like it. You ready? Here we go. So immediately taking out of the box, I'm super impressed with how they packaged it. Everything was bubble wrapped. There's even a cute little card that says thank you. Look at this ribbon. It is so cute. Here's 2 stakes that'll actually secure it down. Both of the benches are completely wrapped with bubble wrap as well. Again, everything was just so well protected and taken care of. This thing is absolutely adorable. Look at how cute. All right, see, there's the little eye hooks for the bottom. Let's put this inside the coop. Let's go. I am super excited for them to have their own designated area. So let's go ahead and get this down and see how they like it. It is going to go right over here. And then once I have that laid out, then I will know the area that I can build them a pecking garden. So that'll be the next project. You can literally put this anywhere. I'm just setting it right here so it's more convenient for us, but I am putting it down with the stakes and the provided eye hooks that come with it, just so I know it's secure and it will not tip over. Okay, so their treat table will go right here. So like when I just come in, I can just toss things right on their table. I have little Vienna over there in her stroller. She's sleeping and content. As long as she sees me, she's okay. And here's the ladies loving their new snack table for the very first time. I am so happy with this purchase that I made. If you do want to check out this particular table, I will link it down below in the description box if you would like to see this specific one. I do absolutely love this one because it does have drain holes, there's a net, and it came fully assembled. You can choose whatever color you would like. And then there's a food grade like seal that's put over it to make it safe for them. So that's why I went ahead and chose a color instead of having it like a raw where I have all the other wood that they touch. But it is actually perfectly safe to have it any color you would like. And I absolutely love it. A lot of other ones that I was looking at, you had to assemble them yourself, and it wasn't as like so much detail put into it, where like I said, there's the drain holes because it does rain will come in. It has the eyelets with the stakes so you can put it in one place to keep it secure. I just like all the detail that was put into it, and of course came out of the box. It looked super cute with the presentation, with the bow, and I again am super happy with this purchase, and so are they. So again, there's the drain holes. There's several drain holes, not just like 1 or 2. There's several drain holes, and it does have this little wire mesh on top. And it's just super cute the way that it's even finished. How it's like, it has a little curb appeal to it. Like, they took so much time in making this. I'm super happy with this purchase. I know I've said that, but I can't say it enough. All right, so we're gonna go give them some more treats on the treat table, and they literally will line up around it now. Hello, ladies. Hello. Oh, hello. Okay, get off your table. Thank you. Here. Oops. You like your new table? You like your new table? Yes, you do. All right, you guys, so that is the treat table, again, that I had purchased off of Etsy. It will be linked down below if you wanted to check one out for yourself. I absolutely love it. My girls absolutely love it. And again, I don't regret my purchase. It's the cutest little table, I swear. So that is all for this particular video. Comment down below, let me know, what do you think of that? If you have chickens, do you have a treat table? Do you have a designated area? Let me know what you do for yours down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew.